Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel. I trust we're all enjoying the last few weeks of summertime. If you're new here, welcome to Juice and Foods. I make healthy juice, foods, smoothies, and much more recipes on this channel. So do consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know anytime I upload a new video. And to my supportive subscribers who keep watching my videos, thanks so much. Be blessed. So today I have the best guacamole recipe for you all. Guacamole is an avocado-based dip or spread first developed in Mexico long ago. I love avocados, guys. They're one of my favorite fruits. I could eat, juice, or make smoothies with them every day. Also, Guacamole Day is coming up September 16th, so this recipe is right on time. So save your avocados to make this amazing guacamole recipe. Now keep in mind, guacamole is a quote raw dish, which means we're not going to be cooking anything. So you need to make sure that your hands are washed and clean when you're making your guacamole. Let's get started. So for the guacamole, I'm using 2 nicely ripe avocados, 1 red onion, some tomatoes, garlic cloves, green peppers, also known as jalapeno peppers, some lime juice, and cilantro leaves. You can check the description for the full recipe. First of all, I am going to cut open my avocados and remove the pit, and then use a spoon to scoop out the avocados into a bowl. Afterward, I mash the avocados using a fork. Now personally, I don't want my avocados completely mashed or pureed, so I'm going to make sure to leave a few small chunks. Then I'm going to dice the red onion and add it to the bowl. And do the same with a few garlic cloves. I add those to the bowl as well. Afterward, I chop the tomatoes, first removing the seeds and the liquid. Now this step is important because you don't want a seedy and watery guacamole. Not good. When I'm done, those go into the bowl as well. Next up are the green peppers. I'm using just 1. Now these are hot, so if you can't stand it, you may need gloves when dicing them. I'm not going to be using any gloves though. First of all, I de-seed the peppers. That's where the pepper flavor is. You don't want too much of that, otherwise your guacamole might turn out to be peppermole. Just kidding. After dicing, I add them to the bowl and you can see the colors are coming out nicely. My guacamole is looking pretty. Next up are the fresh cilantro leaves. They'll give the guacamole a fresh citrus-like flavor. I chop them finely and add to the guacamole. I won't be including the stems, just the leaves. So now it's time to mix all the good stuff together. I mix the guacamole well so every part is evenly distributed. Last but not least, I add the lime juice, about 2 tablespoons. Add salt to taste. Mix once more. And voila, the guacamole is ready. So yum. I usually eat my guacamole with toast bread, chapatis, or tacos. Although I didn't show it here, if you do have leftover guacamole, to keep it from turning brown due to oxidation, you should pour a thin visible layer of water or lime juice over the guacamole to form a barrier with the air. Then cover with a plastic wrap, making it touch the layer of water or lime juice to prevent air pockets, and then put in the fridge. That's all for today, guys. Please like and share this video. I wanted to get to about 200 likes within the first 24 hours. Do subscribe if you haven't and leave me a comment. I would love to read your comments. Enjoy guacamole day, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll catch up next video. Ciao!